Alright guys, so here is the complete list of all the essentials that I believe I need to carry on my motorcycle trip to Seattle. Obviously starting with a good helmet, that's absolutely necessary. And with our Sena music system right here. Here I have the GoPro mount. This is just the extra wiring that I'm going to hide behind these pads. And this is our mic system that will be hooked into the GoPro. This is a whole system, right? So that's our music system. That's our mic system right here. GoPro right here. That's our GoPro attachment. A decent helmet. All right, so now that's taken care of. That I'm actually gonna put right here. So that's our helmet. Next most important thing, I believe, gloves. We have our Alpine Star perforated gloves. A nice pair of sunglasses. This is a power bank. I have 2 of these. Now these are very important on a road trip, and the reason being that if you have any electronics that need to be charged, if your power banks are completely charged before leaving, these should be enough for charging your GoPro, your phone, your Sena headset, GoPro battery, extra battery with an extra charger. Since I don't have any motorcycle pants, I have these knee guards. And the funny thing with these knee guards is that I bought these knee guards on a road trip back in India with a really good friend of mine, Shekhar. We both bought these at the same time. I know a lot of people are gonna say that that's not a great idea, but this is what I have right now. Our rain jacket. So we are in the Pacific Northwest. I think this is a good idea, obviously, for any state. But since we are in Washington, it rains a lot. You know, you never know when it's going to start raining. Hand warmers, very important. Sometimes when we are in the mountains, the weather gets really, really cold. A good pair of hand warmers is gonna save your life. Motorcycle boots, very important. I'm going to be making another video with a review of these boots after I'm done with my trip, just to kind of give you an idea of whether these were good for my ride or not. These I bought recently, brand new. They were half off on Revzilla. Revzilla, I don't know in India, but in the US, Revzilla, you can find anything and everything motorcycle. Again, it's not sponsored, but I personally think that it's a great website if you want to buy anything related to motorcycles. So this was on sale and on their closeout sale, and also it had a little blue tag on the image that said staff pick. So what I believe from that is that the staff of Revzilla uses this for their personal riding. If I'm parking my motorcycle somewhere, I put this extra lock around the wheel. I have heard a lot of cases of bikes being stolen in Seattle, and I do not want to take that chance. So I don't know how much this is going to help, because if somebody's really motivated, they're definitely going to be able to break this, but it's just an extra line of defense. Last thing that is not pictured is earplugs. Again, very important, especially when we are riding on high speeds for a long period of time on the freeway. The constant wind noise is firstly not good for your ears, and then it also kind of creates this numbing sensation in the head. And then another Another thing that I did a little bit of research on people's blog about motorcycle trips, and one thing that a lot of people didn't mention, even with the old bikes, I know the new bikes are keyless, but the old bikes especially, I always recommend carrying an extra set of keys. Like, that is so important. A place where in your bag that you know of that you have put it, so just in case on your trip, if you lose your original keys, you have a backup. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited for my trip to Seattle. This is the initial prep for the ride. Obviously, there are more items that I'm going to be packing, like my clothes and, you know, all the toiletries. But this setup is specific to traveling and recording your travels on a motorcycle. So these are the items that I believe are essential for a successful motorcycle trip without getting into any kind of delays. Any of you out there who are watching this video, if it helps you, please like it, subscribe to my channel. If you think there is anything missing from your own experience, if you think I need to add anything extra to my travels, I would like that feedback in the comment section. I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch my video. Please like and subscribe. We are going to be taking this trip to Seattle very soon, and I'm so excited to share this trip with you.